The pandemic has changed the way we work. We are now more mobile than ever. Customers need to reach you anywhere, and employees need to stay connected everywhere. Your employees need the right tools to be productive. Tools that are flexible, secure, and integrated to drive real-time remote collaboration. In order to meet the demands of continuous collaboration and ensure continuity during times of unplanned outages and emergencies, businesses are now reevaluating the need for an on-prem PBX system. Considerations are now aimed at cloud-hosted solutions. But maybe you're not ready to migrate 100% to the cloud. The solution for you may be a hybrid approach, where you integrate cloud calling with your on-prem PBX. Introducing Webex Calling. Webex Calling is a complete enterprise-grade cloud calling and team collaboration solution that securely integrates messaging and meetings into your calling experience. Seamlessly make and receive calls. Set your business phone number to ring on any device. Make business calls from your mobile device and keep your personal number private. Share content. Participate in video meetings. And send chat messages from the Webex app. Quickly elevate phone calls to a Webex meeting without requiring participants to hang up and dial into a separate conference bridge. Easily provision and manage users and devices. Monitor call quality and usage data, all within Control Hub, our centralized dashboard. Let's take a look at cloud calling in action. This is the Control Hub dashboard, and we're going to focus on the calling service. Once we're in the calling service, we can manage our phone numbers, locations, call routing, features, and orders. So let's just say we have a new site that we're opening up and we want to add some new numbers. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So we click on Add Numbers, and we choose our location. And then we choose our either we're going to order new numbers or we're going to port some numbers over, and in this case we're going to order new numbers. And we choose our area code and how many numbers we're going to need, and then we say search. Now the system is going to come back with a bunch of phone numbers, and we can either choose these or we can go with the default that's chosen for us, and then we click order. Once we click the order, then it's done and we can manage our order from this point on. Let's see what else we can do within calling. Let's take a look at features. Within the feature set, we have our auto attendant, call park extension, call park group, call pickup, call queues, and hunt groups. Let's manage our auto attendant. So we would click on this one here that's already set up for us, and we notice that we can enable our auto attendant or disable it. If we enable our auto attendant or disable it, the configuration will remain saved. It's never going to go away, so you're okay to disable and enable on the fly at any time. You can manage your general settings, phone numbers, call forwarding, and dialing options. You can manage your business hours and your after hours auto attendant. We can take a look at our greetings. Now what's really cool about greetings is that we can go with the default greeting, or we can do a custom greeting. If we do a custom greeting, we can upload the WAV file, or we can do a recording on the fly and use that for our customized greeting. Next, I'd like to show you how easy it is to control costs within the Control Hub. We'll go ahead and choose one of our users, and their profile will appear on the right-hand side. We can manage their meetings and their calling services along with their devices. So let's take a look at calling. One thing I'd like to point out here is that you can control costs within calling, and you can do it globally or you can do it at the individual level. So let's say, for example, we want to control outgoing costs or outgoing calls, and we want to block international calling. We can do that right here under call types. And you can do that, like I said, globally, or you can do it individually, and it'll override the global settings. So the next thing I'd like to show you real quick is how you can add a line to your devices. And if you click here on devices, and scroll down to configure lines, you can quickly add another line by hitting this plus sign, choose a person, and say save. That was it. That's how easy it is to use it in the Control Hub. Get work done anytime, from any place, on any device. The The workplace is no longer in the office. It's wherever you are.